Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be vlogging a little bit. It's going to be like a different kind of vlog because I'm going to do some cleaning and some getting some stuff done around the house before my mom gets here. It is 9:09 and she lands here in North Dakota at 12:28. So I have a little bit of time to get some stuff done. So I figured I would set up the camera on the tripod while I clean some stuff, and I will put like a voiceover over the footage that I do get through this. I need to dust some stuff off, vacuum, Swiffer, organize my couch a little bit, put away some clutter. I am making a crock pot meal today. By those ingredients over here, probably tell I'm making a Mississippi, but I'm doing Mississippi chicken instead of Mississippi pot roast. I love the Mississippi pot roast, but I'm trying out the chicken, same ingredients, just swap out the chicken for the pot roast, and I think it'll be good. It sounds good. I've heard that it's really good, so I'm excited to try that. I need to get to cleaning, so I will just put you on the tripod, and yeah, I'm gonna watch some of my YouTubers while I clean, some of the YouTubers I watch while I clean, because I've got a lot of videos to catch up on, so I'm going to do that, and I hope you guys like this video, so here we go.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
So I just recorded me making the bed, but it did not record for some reason or another. I must not have hit the button. But I made the guest room bed. Doesn't look the best. The fluffy sheet or blanket on top is not quite a queen size. I think it's a full, so it kind of leaves the side. And the air mattress is pretty deep, so the sheets don't fully fit around it all the way, but they fit good enough. They work. These sheets, the triangular blue shaped sheets, are old sheets I used to have at my parents' house that I had bought for my old bed that I brought with me for our guest bed. And then these are some pillowcases from sheets that we have for our master bedroom, but we use them in here as well. So I got it all set up. Not the nicest, not the prettiest. I'm not, a professional bed maker, but I made the bed and it looks at least a little cozy and more welcoming than just the gray air mattress. So I got that going. I am going to now start vacuuming in here and then go to the other rooms and start dusting and then vacuuming. You saw me clean the kitchen already. It didn't need much of a cleaning. We haven't been home most of the week and I didn't cook yesterday or this morning, so it just needed a little bit of a cleanup from Tuesday when I was home. So there is all of that. I am going to turn the camera back around and get vacuuming in here, get some stuff kind of clutter taken care of. I might just put that stuff over in my closet in the other room. We still have some clothes hanging here that are drying. I should probably try and hang some of mine up. There's me in the mirror. Hang some of these up in my closet so that way they aren't all just cluttered up here. But I will get that going for you guys, and let me turn you around and I will start vacuuming.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange.
So I rearranged the couch a little bit, decluttered a little bit of the stuff on it. I didn't fold up that blanket yet, but I will get to it. I vacuumed, I dusted, and I still need to put stuff together over there. And I will be sharing with you my recipe for the Mississippi chicken recipe that I'll be doing in the crock pot today. So let me get some stuff put away and I will show you guys that.
I don't even know your name. I don't know you, but
So I have my chicken in the crock pot. I'm going to add the au jus gravy mix on top of the chicken. Sprinkle it all over. And then ranch seasoning. I bought the big guy. I don't have the little packet, so I'm just gonna do a couple tablespoons.
want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to.
And I believe the recipe said 6 to 7 pepperoncinis. I'm not even reading off the recipe anymore. I just go off of what I remember.
You say that you're from out of town. I'm hoping that you stick around.
The recipe said you don't need any liquid, but I've done this before with the Mississippi pot roast. And I just add about half a cup of the pepperoncini liquid to it, just so there's something on the bottom, and it gives it a really good flavor. And then you put a stick of butter and a little, like cut it into little cubes there, and then just spread it all around the chicken. I'm using unsalted butter. You can use salted butter too. I've used both. The recipe said that unsalted butter was fine, so that's what I'm using this time. And there is my Mississippi chicken. We'll sit there and cook probably 7 to 8 hours. I'm gonna put it on low. If I have to kick it up to high, I will, but it's 10. We probably won't eat till 6. So there is that. And this is what it looks like in the crock pot. It's super yummy. You should definitely try it. So I have cleaned my kitchen. I've cleaned my living room. I have cleaned the guest room. I've done my sweeping, mopping, vacuuming, cleaned counters, dusted things off. I am getting ready to swap my last load of laundry over, and I actually have empty laundry baskets. Whoop whoop. Not for long. Laundry is forever continuing. But I'm gonna do the laundry real quick, and then I am gonna get a quick shower. I really need to wash my hair. I should have washed it yesterday, but I was too lazy after getting home later, or not later, but getting home after a long drive. So I am going to do that, and then I'm going to go take a shower and wash my hair, and I will probably take you along when we go get my mom. I still have a little bit of time, but I'm going to take a minute to breathe and get some stuff done behind the scenes of the camera. So I'm going to end this video here. Thanks for watching. Give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. Bye!